Got that piece? Okay, let's see what's underneath this. Oh my, oh. Oh yeah, more oak, but this one looks like it might, a little bit of water. Might have had a little bit of water in here at some point. Welcome to another episode of the Star Showcase House. Today we're blessed to have Kurt Cornejo from Pearson. Kurt, what do we got going on today?
So we're doing a pool demolition for Star Lumber in the children's home. So we're ripping out a pool in the backyard here, and we're gonna put a bunch of filter back in and level off the backyard.
One look up in the basement and in the attic showed us that we had knob and tube. So when you see some ceramic knobs with some wiring wrapped around them and running and snaking through those rafters, you know that you're dealing with knob and tube.
We're gonna pull this old panel out, and we're actually gonna put a new one on the back side of this wall.
Okay guys, hands out of your pockets, use your action dudes.
It's kitchen demolition day! We're gonna take out the cabinets and floor, and we're gonna get this kitchen demolition underway. It's kitchen demolition day, and I am so excited.
Okay, good.
Today I'm here with Debbie Kennedy from the Wichita Children's Home, and welcome to the home. This was her first time to tour the home and see some of the stuff that we've done.
Very exciting.
So, new roof. We had to start by taking off the old roof. Can you tell us a little bit about what we were looking at?
Yeah, absolutely. So actually we're doing a little bit more than just taking off a roof. We're taking off 2 roofs.
So this is called a Moffett forklift. How it works is it goes on the back of our delivery truck. They take the delivery out onto the job site, then they remove the Moffett. They use that to actually pick up the product and place it wherever's appropriate on the job site. This Moffett takes the curb, even loaded down with siding.
How are you doing there?
I'm doing good. Thanks for the invite out here to help you guys out with the Wichita Children's Home.
Let STAR guide you through the entire project.